Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and great. Me also pretty well. So this is the another session. I mean to say that this is day 8 where I'm learning English and where I'm talking with myself. I'm not perfect. I'm not good in English. I'm not fluencer, but I'm practice in recording of the video. If you want to improve something, then practice is everything because practice and consistency is the key of success. I'm not an intelligent, I'm a loser person, but still I'm focused on my work. If you are focused in yourself, then obviously you are love yourself and you knowing better. So here is 8 o'clock. I did my whole work of the morning time. I did worship, reading, writing. Now I'm practice of speaking with recording the video. In school life, nobody can teach you how to speak in English, how to learn proper in English. But if you want, then obviously you will hard work doing other side like searching on social media, searching on AI tool, how we are improving our communication skill in English, how you are improving our English. So here is so many tips in there and in social media how you are improving. Even I'm not learning English in school life. I'm already told you I completed my education in Punjabi medium school. I know only Hindi and Punjabi, but after school life I realized English is very important if you want to achieve the big. Sometimes I feel nervous to talking with someone. If anybody speak fluent in English, that time I feel awkward. If you are consistency in your any kind of work, because consistency is the key of success. If you are make consistency in any work, then obviously you will find you will perfect on that work, because hard work is not applicable in everywhere, but hard work is necessity to achieving any kind of work. Hard work and smart work in this Kali Yuga both are important for earning and learning and achieving everything. I'm not using social media right now, but still I'm focused on learning English in through the AI tools, through the recording video. Already I'm told you, and then learning grammar and learning English from watching some my own videos. Already I'm focused on my work because I want if I teach and then obviously I will learn a lot. So this is the casual talk. I want to talking with you with casual talk, nothing a hard talk. If you are talking with other person, then obviously you will speak in fluent way. I know nobody can trust me in this generation. Nobody can trust you. If you are showing anything, then obviously everybody is trust you. But right now nobody can trust you because you have nothing. I'm not financially independent, but still I'm focused on my work. You know, I already waste my 4 year in one YouTube channel. I have one YouTube channel which is made in lockdown period, but still I was giving my 4 year on that channel, but I didn't get any response and success and money. So it was so bad thing for me and so bad experience for me. Why I'm sharing with you, because this is the casual talk. Everybody needs money. Every So let me tell you about yesterday. So yesterday I went with my mama in market, and I heard, and I was so confusing about the hearing prices of all kind of groceries, because I didn't know about it. Then seriously, this generation is like a Kalyug, and here is a lot of expenses increasing in day by day. I was so confused about it, how we are buy any kind of groceries item. So that experience is too good for me, because I went with my mother in market first time. So it was a nice experience for me. And then when I back to home, I write on my diary, so how you are how you are buying any kind of things, and then I'm learning on that things. If you are beginner or intermediate, then visit my channel. My whole videos are so helpful for you, because I was showing a lot of stories daily usage translation in Hindi to English, translation, vocabulary. I was showing everything. Visit my channel and watch. Maybe that video will helpful for you. So watch that kind of videos. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Okay, bye. Meet to next video.